Are you ready for 2021? Because I know I definitely am. Hi, my beautiful subscribers. Welcome back to another financial episode. Of course, I am Nayoka Kelly Campbell of Kelly Fiscal LLC. But before I move on, please go ahead and subscribe now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Are you ready for 2021? Because I know I definitely am. Actually, I have been planning my 2021 financial goals since 2020. And this is the mindset that we need to have. We need to have a new attitude, a new mindset that brings new results. Basically, success begins with mindset. So here's the deal. You need to have solid goals and solid plans to achieve those goals. And don't get me wrong, of course, there are times when your plans won't go accordingly. But the good thing is, you had a plan in place, and even if your plan fails because of the new mindset that you have gained, you will, not can, but you will get back up, go back to the drawing table, and plot another great idea or plan the right moves to make towards your goals. Don't you ever be discouraged when your plan fails. To me, that's simply setting you up for success, or basically setting you up on how to deal with failures during your success. So I remember in 2020 when I felt like some of the plans that I had in place were just not going in the direction that I wanted it to go. But I kept on pushing. I didn't give up. I didn't break. Yes, sometimes it was stressful and overwhelming, but I never stopped pushing. And to date, I can definitely say that what I endured in 2020, that has definitely built that foundation that I needed to tackle any unforeseen business struggles that may come my way. Listen, my business and financial goals can only flourish if I put in the work. If you do not put in the work for yourselves, then you're simply planning to fail. But enough about me. What are your financial goals for 2021? Leave a comment down below. Let me know some of your financial goals for 2021. Here are a few financial goals that you can look into and plan for yourself and your family. Rental property investment. If you're looking to invest for the long run and build generational wealth, then you need to be investing in rental properties. Listen, contact your banks and find out the process in applying for an investment loan. Better yet, reach out to your local community bank or even your credit union. Build a relationship with them. In turn, they will be more favorable in granting you a loan. And of course, there are other options in obtaining loans for this nature, such as hard money or private lenders. But this process is definitely something that you need to get more information on. Do your own research. Make the best decision that works for you. Invest in the stock market or the forex market. These markets welcome any and everyone. If you have funds to invest, why not take the next step? In one of my videos, I spoke about Acorns, Coinbase, Betterment, and Robinhood investments. And of course, I have placed the links in the description below to get you started. But these are just a few investment apps that you can take advantage of. But there are also more investment brokers and brokerage firms that are available to you. But please make sure that you do your own research, as I said before, as some of these companies, they do have certain fees that are charged on a monthly basis. So you want to make sure that you compare the cost of each and enroll in the company that fits your financial goals. Affiliate marketing. If you're a blogger and influencer or have your own business, there are companies out there that you can establish a connection with through affiliate marketing. So you would sign up with these companies and basically promote their product, their service, or even their company through your own social media platform or even your website. And any purchase that is made through your affiliate link gains you a small commission from that purchase. It's that simple, guys. I have seen several YouTubers that have an affiliate link through Amazon and they're using that affiliate link. So why not look into this and take advantage of it? By all means, go ahead. How about brand partnership? I have seen many Instagram accounts that have partnered with several brands. So if a brand recognizes your Instagram portfolio as very influential, or if your account is over a certain amount of followers, you could be partnering with certain brands and promoting their product and or services. Again, you have to do your own research to see what fits your goals. Don't just leave it up to me or any other YouTubers that you're watching. Do your own research, guys. Have you noticed that I have been stressing a lot about doing your own research? I believe that everyone should always do their own due diligence in making sure that whatever information is passed onto them, in order to make a conscious and intelligent decision, you need to have all the relevant information on hand to make that decision. So let 2021 be a year for doing more research and making sound decisions. So that's it, guys, for this week on another financial episode. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell before leaving this channel. I can't wait for you to join me next week for another financial episode. Thank you guys for watching.